Do you ever feel like everyone else on the golf course knows what they're doing and you're just trying not to mess it up? Let's be honest, golf isn't just about hitting the ball, it's about knowing golf's unspoken rules. This course is your shortcut to fitting in on any course, whether it's a casual round with friends, a high-stakes client outing, or your first time at a country club. You'll learn how to master the unspoken rules of the game, avoid embarrassing mistakes, understand dress codes, pace of play, and social expectations, and show up with confidence no matter what your skill level is. There's no prior experience needed, just a desire to look like you belong and leave a great impression. So join Golf Etiquette Essentials today and take the guesswork out of the game, because confidence is the best club in your bag.